Want to improve your kids' fitness levels while improving their focus? Boxing is a great way to give them a break from video games while also keeping them mentally and physically fit. That's not all. It also keeps their bones strong and sturdy. Addis Sports brings the ultimate boxing gloves for your kids with long-lasting PU leather and extra padded foam protection that keeps their wrists safe while meeting all their training needs. No matter whether boys or girls, we have a boxing gear fitted to everyone's needs. Its lightweight and highly shock absorption features provides your kid the extra protection they need to prevent injuring their fists or thumbs. A comfortable and firm grip to give better control over their game every time, together with a durable PU leather material for a long-lasting experience. So, it's time to give your kids the ultimate boxing experience with one and only Addis Sports boxing gloves, made for the kids of today.